Hey everyone, it's Kevin and Louise with the Pewter Palace and thepewterpalace.com. Today we are finally getting around to one of our punch list projects, which is replacing our rub rail. This is what's called the rub rail. This is the track. This is the original rub rail right here. And you can see on, well, we've taken this one off, but on many of them, they have shrunk back from beyond where they were originally attached. You're seeing 3 different samples we put here in 2021. We put those in. It is now August of 2024, and we kind of had our followers on our blog and our YouTube channel and things give us their opinion on which one they liked the best, either the dark green, the dark turquoisey teal, or the navy blue. And the winner was the navy blue. So that's what we chose. And I just wanted to have Kevin hold a piece of the brand new, has been in the box since 2021. Yeah, we're getting to it. And you can see that this really did not fade at all. And we have, since 2021, we have been on 3-week trips, 5-week trips, 9-month trips, up to Alaska, 3 months in Alaska, back down the southern coast, the Pacific Northwest and the West Coast, and then spent the winter 4.5 months in Arizona. And all since we have had these samples in. We left them in on purpose so that we would see, because some people have said that this patio chair strapping, which is what this is, 1.5 inches, fades. And we do not see that has been the case at all. Those other ones are still really as bright as, now maybe when we take them out, we may see the back is a little bit different, but they've really held up well. We have the resources for this strapping. And again, it's 1.5 inches. It's the same vinyl that is used for plastic that is used for patio furniture, for those kind of woven seat and back patio furniture. It's available from 2 companies in Florida. They sell the exact same product. Actually, I think they're even the same code numbers on the colors. And we got ours from Patio Furniture Supply in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. My suggestion to everyone who I've talked to about this project is go to both their websites. Sunnyland is the other one in Florida, and I think they're in Fort Lauderdale too. They may even be owned by the same company, who knows, but just go on their websites, pick your color that you want. They have dozens of colors. And the original here was black, obviously. Kind of faded to a dark charcoal at this point. Ours is a 1987 Avion 32S. And just compare the pricing, because certain times they will be, some color that you may want, maybe on sale or something. It's the same product. Just order it from whoever's cheaper or who has specials on shipping and stuff. Now, the bottom rub rail is a different story. That one we got from Rec Pro. That is only a 1 inch. I believe that's right. A 1 inch. And we are replacing it with the original black as well. Ours along the front. The very front, oh, it's under the bra. That's okay. You won't be able to see it. It's kind of, in some cases, it just kind of started degrading and chipping apart. So we're going to replace that as well. Probably not on this trip, but, and here's the new that we're going to replace it with. Yes, that's a 1 inch, right? Yeah. And that one is thinner. It's much more flexible. I'm not quite as thrilled with that. And I honestly might actually suggest to people that they use the Sunnyland patio strapping in the 1 inch if they have it, instead of this Rec Pro stuff, because it is really thin and I'm not sure how well that's going to hold up. But we may give it a try and then we will let you know. So that's our project today.
It's over double thick the original.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm thinking it's more the patio strapping. The tools we have out today. Blunt nose pliers. Thought maybe I'd take that out just in case. Some heavy duty scissors to cut through that vinyl because it is thick. We have a cordless heat gun, because as you will see in pictures that I've taken to go around these hooks on the windows, Kevin had to heat up those that rub rail, the old original rub rail behind there, to be able to get that out and lift it out from there. And here's the rub rail. When you're doing this, you want to inspect the rivets along here. Now, interestingly, on our street side, the driver side, we see that, and we believe it's factory, they went down with a gun and they went over top of every one of these. There's like a band you can see covering these
water
over.
will get into these style rivets.
Yeah, water will get
They're
into
whole.
those style of rivets.
You can see this one here, a little.
Yep, there's a little bit of rustiness there.
Because Dave did the other side, Bob did this side, and Bob said, "Nah, I'm not gonna put it on."
Yeah, right. Yeah, whoever was on this side in the production lane, they didn't bother with it, or it moved along too quick and they didn't get to it. Whatever happened, but this side did not get done. The other side did. Interesting.
But we will be resealing them.
We will be resealing them. We'll put a dab of par bond. We use a par bond or gutter seal. It's basically the same kind of stuff. We get the gutter seal. We get it in the aluminum color, and because you can't get aluminum colored par bond anymore. And then we will put a dab on each of those. So on with our project, and we'll keep you posted how it's going.